Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be playing some Fortnite, and if you guys can guess where I am, there was a hurricane. I was just in a car from that hurricane. It yeeted it all the way over here. And I'm dead. No, so I was at 100, then there was this there's like a porta potty in the tornado and it hit me, so I lost health. I lost shield.
So, our first rocket recon mission failed. Well, you know what they say, when one launchpad door closes, another one opens. And behind that door, there's a bigger rocket with more telescope parts in it, which you will go and source for me.
No, I will not source for you.
This is very exciting for you.
No, it's not. It'll be exciting for me if I get my first YouTube video, Solos one, on my first YouTube channel. Ooh, crown. Now I might get the crown one. Sucker. I already have the crown. Alamon. Chicken nuggets. So close. If those give me 30 health, I'd be full. This kid's a noob. What's this person doing? Let's go. No way. That dude lowered me so much. What was that dude doing though? Guys, you literally saw him. If he's doing like a challenge where he can't switch to ground, well, he definitely failed it. It'd be cool if you could pick up 2 crowns. Oops, be careful. Remember when you could talk to people on telephone lines? That was cool. Oh. Whoa, guys. Now it looks like I picked up that crown, but I didn't. I already had a crown. It just despawned on me. For a second, I thought that was bad. Should I go out of here, or should I just... People say they did this better than the actual Spider-Man game. Not just... Fortnite did this, Mythic better than the actual game. People said that. But the only thing I don't like about this, the only thing I don't like about this Spider-Man web shooters, is that, I'll be right back, guys. I have to do something. Okay, everything's good. My way from there. Yeah, should I use this big pot? We must go. And it was a waste of my ammo. If you drop the purple. I like the striker pump better. Oh no. Oh, I'm so lucky I noticed that fire. I'm gonna rift. Get out. Ah. My game has been very glitchy today. I think they're from the tornado. I'm playing on a PC, so I don't know what. Should I no scope? Should I shoot this peel? And I think I'm done. Hit him 23, hit him 23. Oh! Hit him 23 again. I'm gonna just hang out. If I see that kid again, I am done. Done for. I'm probably gonna, hopefully I'm in circle. Please be in circle. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes! Oh. Is that guy doing the stairs challenge? Oh! What the? What the heck? What the heck? Guys! I am so confused right now, guys. I literally just sniped the kid. Then, he shot me. And then, that guy got the win. What the heck is going on in Fortnite? My God, what the heck? Thanks for watching the video, and we'll catch you guys next time. Well, goodbye.